Hi there, welcome to our channel. You can see this is RAR file, you can download, link in description. Now I'm extract here this file. Now open this folder and, you see transitions.app file. Yes, is it? You can open it by double clicking if you want, or you can bring it directly and drag it, like me. Done. So now you can see there are 3 folders here. We will look at the camera transactions and SAP transactions folder, try to see them all. Well, now I will add pictures. You can add videos if you want. Videos and photos can be added. Now I'm opening the transaction by double-clicking Shape Transaction 1. See? You see, there's a lock here, so I'm giving this guy away, and I'm adding my picture. Before adding, press Alt to drag the picture and drop it on top. Done. By clicking S on the keyboard, you can update the scale of this image, so I'm fixing it like this, and see a preview of it. The rest of you will check a little. I will show you the number 50. There are some fair transactions, you may find it useful. I have used some. There will be a link to the description you will download, and I will now show you some of the transactions inside the camera transaction. You have to add in the same way, the way we added before, same. We will add here, see. $150+ transaction pack. There are many transactions that you have not seen yet. There are very interesting transactions. I hope you like it. I could not show you all. You will see one by one. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it, be sure to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thanks.